In a world where happiness and health are paramount, we often overlook the link between our well-being and the conversations we hesitate to embrace. The Silent Connection embarks on a transformative journey, exploring the intricate relationship between health, sexuality, and emotional wellness, urging us to confront the stigma that clouds these essential topics. The documentary invites viewers to witness the evolution of sexual health through time, from the sacred celebrations of ancient civilizations to the stigmatized narratives of modern society. It delves into the wealth of knowledge contained in historical texts, revealing how ancient cultures revered sexuality as an integral aspect of life, fostering a sense of acceptance long before societal constraints imposed silence. As we transition into the science behind sexual health, vibrant animations illuminate the complexities of the human body, showcasing how hormones like testosterone and oxytocin govern not only reproduction, but also emotional connections and mood regulation. Experts elucidate the vital role of sexual health in enhancing immunity and mitigating stress, reminding us that a fulfilling sex life contributes tangibly to our overall health. However, the journey is not without its challenges. Dramatic reenactments depict the hardships individuals face due to sexual health issues, struggles against the fears of revealing their conditions, and the societal pressures that keep them silent. Interviews highlight firsthand experiences, illustrating how lack of education leads to misconceptions, late diagnoses, and untreated conditions, perpetuating the cycle of shame and fear surrounding sexual discussions. Despite these hindrances, The Silent Connection provides a beacon of hope, underscoring the importance of open dialogue and education in destigmatizing sexual health. Hopeful scenes from community workshops and public initiatives depict individuals breaking the silence, seeking knowledge, and fostering an empowering discourse around sexuality and health. The documentary captures the essence of vulnerability and courage as participants share their stories, illuminating paths to understanding and acceptance. In closing, this documentary challenges us to reconsider our perceptions of sexual health and its correspondence with overall well-being. By encouraging brave conversations and dismantling taboos, The Silent Connection inspires a societal shift toward openness, understanding, and a more profound commitment to healthier, happier lives. I grew up in a community where sex was never talked about. When I faced issues in my marriage, I didn't know where to turn.